Using the administrator program, you can set up in-store requirements, which are things you would like your representatives to do in the field. For example, set up some over and above counter units on the oral care section. And these, once they're set up, have the ability to be set as initiate, do, and check. As a result of setting them up on PC Client, the rep, when they're doing a store check, gets these boxes over here which enable them to create these over and above for the first time. So they would click on that and they would say, I'm going to have an over and above, I'm going to create the window display, I'm going to initiate that, and it puts that oral care window display in place. Once that occurs, you want to report on this data in the dashboard. Now in the dashboard there is the ability to choose the requirement. So for example, I could choose the over and above, and that will then allow me to choose the over and above that I've just created, the oral care ones. And then I can also choose, okay, what state do I want to see those over and above in? And you can see here my choices are check passed, check failed, done, initiated, not initiated, and not seen. Now the reason for having those is, on every one of these requirements, there is a state of the requirement of initiate, do, and check from a rep's perspective. But on the dashboard there's an additional requirement of not seen, which gives you the ability to find out of the layouts that I want the reps to have done, how many of them are for stores that have not yet been called on or not seen by the rep. So it'll give you a clearer picture as to why some of them aren't done. They might be done because they're not seen, they might be done because they haven't been initiated, or they mightn't be done because they're in a check failed state. But at least now you've got a good reason to work out why a particular layout or in-store requirement is not done.